what exactly is OpenFGA?
OpenFGA is an authorization engine, which is an API or a library. It's meant to be a high-performance, flexible authorization engine, and it's built specifically for developers to enable fine-grained authorization at a large scale.
FGA stands for, the F is fine and the G is grained and the A is authorization. So what I want to say is, as a really new person to tech in general and to the security space, it was good for me to know that authorization is different from authentication. Authentication is getting access to the system for the first time, like a login, and authorization is what you can do once you're in the system. So what does it mean that it's relationship based, that it's not just role based or attribute based?
It means instead of looking at the user's role in the system or the an object's attributes, it looks at how a user and an object relate to one another. So now we're looking at two entities and the relationship between each other. Basically, when you're saying a user is a viewer of a document, or a user is a follower of another, or a folder is a parent of a document, or an organization is a parent of a team, we're indicating relationships. We're not indicating a role, and we're not indicating an attribute of any of this.
So OpenFGA gets the user identity from wherever, doesn't care about where that comes from, and then it calls the OpenFGA server API. At that time, discovers whether or not the human is allowed, or process is allowed, to do the thing that it's asking to do.